Yeah, bonsoir. No, I believe this country is bilingual. My talk with the bilingual way. Yes. I dey salute everybody. He been a soldier under the Republic. Me, I been a soldier under the Republic, but I don't come out for the soldier work for the Republic. I don't fight for Boko Haram. I don't see my colleague they don't die plenty. My colleague they don't die plenty for them. I decide say make I run with my arms. I can't join these separatist fighters for this ground. I dey laugh any my colleague them they still dey inside this struggle. They don't call me Odeshi, but still come for that boys them. The boys them they see kiwi as will be the key them. Yes, the boys them the kiwi. And wait to make me a run. My colleagues them a key for Banso site. He cut some civilians ahead. He killed them, cut them, give them for so one man for day. He go sell them for them for Fumban. Bring them money. I see say this one na nonsense. Never wait till they out for. I don't join my boys them because I be English speaking man. Any Anglophone easy day with a Republic them for fight the fight in a soldier. If you no resign them, if you no run with your weapon, bring them for a brothers them. Me then join fight this fight. Na foolish man. And I go see talk am. I go talk am very well. I no get plenty talk for talk. I go talk am very yes. Wetin I go talk now? Na palava the school where dey go on. Any man send the pikin for school. The man no like his life and he no like that pikin in life. Go catch one of that pikin you need for talk where your padi and your mama. Go catch them. We dey kill am for set an example. We dey na inside war. Like the Republic, they force all kind things. The school, you no go. Me in particular, I get military tactics. I go use them back to my colleagues them. Now wait till that I go do them. I dey send this thing for all sides. Me then send them for all sides. They circulate them everywhere. Me as I dey talk so. I been na army, I don't run. I been na army, I don't run. Me my colleague then say I'm too run can't join the brothers them. Must struggle for this fight. This fight they so at the time they say this fight the finish. At the time this fight is the finish. Any my brother say if he say see where I'm in uniform, he do la Republic. Me no say when we don't fight the fight will succeed. Now the last time they no go enter again for inside this ground. This very ground for the southwest and the northwest. We don't suffer. Pobia the full way or they die. At the top. My colleague they die plenty but they hide them. See they don't transfer them for this side, they don't transfer them for this side. For their humans them and for their families them. If you see amount of the Republic soldier they don't kill them plenty. The amount of them is plenty. If they don't kill them, they bury them. If their family no know. If they get sense, better me them come join our brothers them. No fight the fight. Better you thief your materials, you thief your weapon, you run come. Join the boys them. Even for southwest or the northwest. Be the fight strong. And at the last time this was the fight, I advise my people. No school, you no go. Any school we go, they go find the teachers there. They go for that school, find even the family for that teacher there, who perish all them. No mercy, no day. Now me, I don't talk am. I don't run this work. I dey na Ajudan. I dey run this work from my one straight to the inner straight for me for get money. And very soon I for go reach captain. If I take gallon again, I for go captain. But I still run am. Now money I dey get am, but I go come for Grand Zero way. I no go get the money, but we go succeed to win the fight. I go get the money pass the one for the Republic. So I dey advise all my colleagues them, they still dey for military work concerning the Republic. Me then take note. Me then left the work. Can't join their brothers them for bush. Me then join to fight. Now it's that I go talk. Because if they look am, for example, Cameroon government, they don't borrow soldier, they all side, they come, the boys they still kill them. And then they feel say that backup now waiting, day, and they go still kill them. Because they go into our family, they don't catch two of my family, kill them, say, you're picking the army. If you can't fight your brothers them again and the mommies them, they kill them. So any picking, any English picking, he gets sense. Me he left the work, run with a gun, can't gam, me then fight. Teach how they operate gun for the one day they don't know them very well. Come join this fight, me they fight. As a short talk that day, I go talk for now. Me they hear. And I send me this my thing that they talk and so all around the way me then see am. We don't suffer. We don't wait UN, wait America, they elect on turn. Like public they do kind thing they go put and say English speaking people don't do am. The time it don't end.